Exploring Dissident Art, a journey through creative rebellion. Hello and welcome to our exploration of dissident art. Today, we'll dive into what makes art dissident, its significance, and how it has shaped our understanding of freedom of expression. We're excited to have you with us on this journey, and we hope this video enhances your English learning experience. Dissident art refers to creative works that challenge or oppose the established norms, values, or policies of a society, especially those imposed by a government or ruling authority. This form of art often emerges in societies where freedom of expression is limited or suppressed. Artists use various mediums like painting, sculpture, music, or literature to express dissenting views or highlight social and political issues. Historically, dissident art has been a powerful tool for social and political change. It has been used to protest against authoritarian regimes, social injustices, or wars. For example, during the Soviet era, many artists used their work to subtly criticize the regime, often at great personal risk. In modern times, dissident art continues to be a vital form of expression in societies facing censorship or oppression. Dissident art often contains symbolic or metaphorical content to convey its message subtly, especially in environments where direct criticism is dangerous. This art form is characterized by its boldness, creativity, and the courage of the artists who create it. It invites viewers to question and think critically about the status quo. The impact of dissident art is profound. It not only raises awareness about important issues but also inspires and unites people in their struggles for freedom and justice. In today's global society, dissident art continues to play a crucial role in advocating for human rights and democratic values. Dissident art is more than just a form of creative expression. It's a powerful voice of dissent and a beacon of hope in challenging times. As we conclude, we hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the role and significance of dissident art in shaping societal values and driving change. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you.